Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a brand new 2021 Scout 235 Dorado. And as you'll see in the photos, the boat has the new crystal blue hull color, which is new for 2021. For power, we've set this up with the 300 horsepower Mercury V8. That's done in the optional Scout white. You have nice sea-deck matting across the swim platform, walk-through transom door, 4 rod holders across the transom. This is outfitted with the ski pylon. You have 2 fold-out seats, one at the transom, and that tucks away really nice. Opens up the cockpit space. Vinyls tuck into the transom. Live well here at the aft corner. Seat on the port side also tucks away. You have a flip backrest aft-facing lounger. It'll flip back to give you a forward-facing seat. You do have storage under there, and that has a drain built in. You have a freshwater sink, designated cooler storage. This does have the Yeti cooler. Nice Corian countertop. And this seat flips back, and your companion seat rotates. You have a flip-up dinette table there. Real nice bucket seat with high back at the helm. One of the really unique features about the 235 Dorado is this one-piece fiberglass windshield frame. Gives the boat a really unique look. We've outfitted this with the 8610 Garmin screen that's flush mounted into the black acrylic dash. Your Mercury vessel view, Fusion stereo, Lenco trim tabs with LED indicator. This has the Edson wheel, digital throttle and shift. On the port side in front of the companion seat is your head. You do have a windshield that will close, a bow block-off door, and then some additional storage underneath the helm. Up in the bow of the boat, you have 2 nice full-length loungers, full wraparound cushions, fold-down armrests, and this boat will come equipped with a bow and cockpit cover, as well as a bimini top. That's a real quick look at our 2021 Scout 235 Dorado. If you'd like to see this boat in person, stop down to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Ask for me, Dean Ashton. I'll be happy to help you out.